she's our number 5 baby, so it's all pretty standard. You know, we know how to do this. It's not a big deal. And previous to having kids, I'd had migraines pretty regularly, not real frequently, but on occasion. And one day I had a migraine headache, and it just didn't go away. And that kind of alarmed us. So at my next OB checkup, I mentioned it to my midwife, and she suggested that I get into the ER pretty quickly. So they did an MRI and discovered that it was a stroke. We were very surprised about that. We weren't expecting to hear stroke. So Dr. Jaffrey did an excellent job of treating the symptoms for that and getting things taken care of and helping calm my nerves. I was really worried about how this would affect the pregnancy. And Dr. Renardi was also very encouraging and just helped us be certain that any treatments wouldn't affect the baby at all. Both doctors are very competent in their fields, and so they work together really well too. I was a little unsure that they'd be able to decide. Dr. Jaffrey was more concerned about my health and well-being, and Dr. Renardi was kind of going to bat for the baby to make sure the baby was safe and well. So they were able to work together to see that both of us were healthy and that the pregnancy went to term and that we had a healthy baby. So I was on an aspirin regimen, and we figured that would be enough to keep my blood thin enough to ward off any other strokes, and we weren't really concerned that it would happen again. And then 3 weeks before she was born, I had another stroke. This one was not like the first one at all. The whole left side of my body suddenly just went numb without any signs or anything to suggest that anything was wrong. And came to the emergency room immediately, and they started treating the symptoms, and then decided it was time for the baby to be born so they could be more aggressive in treating the stroke. So my labor was induced, and she came very quickly after that. Dr. Renardi did an excellent job of bringing her into the world. We were very pleased that she came so quickly, and she was very healthy. No worries or problems with her at all. Well, if you're going to have an experience like this, it's good to have it at a place where you can get such great care. I've been very grateful for the care that both of my doctors have given. Just the staff in general have been very helpful and reassuring.